On the off chance that you're searching for stepn cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of stepn Jabber will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of stepn GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its Jibber cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this Jabber and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, Jibber something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest Jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of stepn is $0.2725 in GMT is as of now Jabber hash 127 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of stepn is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of 372,740,400 Jibber freedom. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.05 Jabber in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with applesauce, you can see that the market Jabber is additionally down. Stepn is confronting a Jibber time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most Jibber 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would have beneficial Jibber in present moment. stepn Benefit Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your GMT property by computing Jibber benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the sum you have Jibber, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our GMT mini computer will wrap up. We foresee future stepn cost expectations in figure by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized investigation on the past value information of Jibber. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the GMT coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Jabber market cap, stepn volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are Jibber to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Stepn value expectation Jibber. The negative cost expectation for Jibber GMT in 2025 is $0.4427. With a possible high of $0.5377. Our stepn long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends GMT, possibly running somewhere in the range of 208 Jibber 19 cents and $238.27. Stepn GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.51 constantly 20 Jibber. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as $193 Jibber 9 cents by 2040. The Jibber business sector cost of 1 stepn is $0.2725. Stepn value Jibber 2024. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.3 Jibber 84 in 2024. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.3451 with a Jibber exchanging cost of $0.322 all through 2024. Jibber value expectation 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of Jabber $0.4427. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.5377 with a Jibber worth of $0.4588. GMT value Jibber for 2026. As per our profound Jibber examination on past value information of GMT, in 2026 the cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.6483. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.777 with a typical exchanging cost of Jibber $0.6666. Stepn GMT value Jibber 2027. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of Jibber $0.9638 in 2027. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.14 with a typical cost of $0.9972 all through 2027. Stepn value Jibber 2028. The cost of stepn is Jibber to reach at least worth of $1.37 in 2028. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.65 with the Jibber exchanging cost of $1.42 all through 2028. Jibber value forecast 2029. As per our profound Jibber examination on past value information of GMT, in 2029 the cost of stepn is estimated to be at around a base worth of $2.01. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of 2 GB 36 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of $2.09 in USD. Stepn GB value forecast 2030. Stepn cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2.95 GB in 2030. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3.51 with the Jabber figure cost of $3.03. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are Jibber imperative contemplations. Jibber with common sense applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the stepn cost figure for 2040, GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of 193 Jabber 69 cents in 2040. The base anticipated cost of GMT coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $158.88 Jibber, while the typical cost of the stepn for 2040 is Jibber to be $168.81. Jibber value figure for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn Jibber with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Broadening and Jibber informed about the most recent improvements are key techniques for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our GMT cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a Jabber cost of $238.27, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $208.19 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of 200 Jibber $13 approximately. Jibber value gauge facts. What is the Jibber cost today? Today, stepn GMT is exchanging at $0.2725 with a Jibber of $372,714,490. What Jibber does stepn cost in 2025? The cost of stepn will increment as additional financial backers Jibber in the venture. In year 2025, stepn will be Jabber about a normal cost of $0.4588. What is the Jibber fate of stepn? The eventual fate of stepn is exceptionally subject to the general Jibber of the crypto business. With Jibber to putting resources into GMT, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry Jibber profile. In any case, still a superb venture for those who have a high capacity to bear Jabber and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide Jabber and a consistently developing biological system. How high might Jibber at any point go? The typical cost of stepn Jibber could go to $0.322 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the Jabber will effortlessly come to the $1.42 mark. What amount will stepn be Jibber in 5 years? In 5 years, stepn will have a base cost of $1 Jabber 5 cents and a most extreme cost of